Nick here with AquaPoolSupply.com, and I'm coming to you live from a very, very exciting project. See what we're working with here today? 12 waterfalls, water slide, grotto, spa. We're honored to be a part of it. It's a little windy up here, so let's continue the tour. Check out some of this equipment we got. We are loaded to the brim with Pentair. Lots of plumbing, electrical work, heaters, filters, automation, you name it. Let's check it out. We've got 2 full flow XF cartridge filters. We have lights. We got pumps. We have everything for a dream pool that you could ever want. Lots of plumbing going on, like I mentioned. A couple of heaters here, a couple of Pentair Master Temps, Centilflow XFs, Whisper Flow, lots of plumbing, lots of valves. Stay tuned, we have quite a project coming your way. Check out the view. You got to the equipment part of it, and you said, I don't want to mess with this. This is one thing that I don't want to necessarily mess with.
You know, laying out the equipment room, what pumps I'm going to use, what Pentair products I'm going to use, and the heaters, and this and that. You know, I had it all laid out. I wasn't exactly positive on some of the equipment models I was going to use. You know, just recently going through the, looking at some of the YouTube videos, you know, looking up some of the newer Pentair pumps, trying to figure out exactly what I wanted to get.
Sure.
And, you know, I came across, you know, the Aqua Pool Supply videos.
Yeah.
You know, and as it turns out, it's like, yeah, these are the guys I need. And as it turns out, you know, essentially you're in Phoenix. It's like, hey, I picked up the phone, you know, gave them a quick blurb on the project. You know, here they are, saving me a lot of time, and I'm getting some, you know, professionally taken care of. So
The Wizards, right? Isn't that what you call it?
And it was time. It was time to call the Wizards.
Why Pentair?
Just research, and you know, they basically had the capabilities of, you know, from an IT standpoint, which is my background. The Pentair, the IntelliTouch products, and you know, integration of my, you know, homespun home automation system that I have, and
Nice.
and plus their own, you know, catalog of things that they have. So
Premium pool product for sure. So you did your homework.
yeah, it seemed like a pretty good partnership from what I already have in place.
Yeah.
So
Definitely. Good choice with them. Good choice with Aqua Pool Supply. All right. Well, we better get back to work. Keep you posted. And we're excited to get this project complete for you.
thank you, sir. And it's just amazing to see everything just up and running right now. Towards the end there, we had a great collaboration. Some of the industry leaders like Marlin Pools and Aqua Pool Supply.
You said earlier that you just had a smile permanently on your face.
Yeah, it's hard to wipe it off.